each one of you. I would like to just mention about the University of Science Technology Meghalaya, which is first state private university in the northeast, which is having all the statutory bodies approval to have different programs. That means UGC, Bar Council of India, NMC, Pharmacy Council of India, and NMC and all such bodies. Our all programs are running in the university, which have been approved by different bodies, statutory bodies of India. We are having A grade from the NAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation, and also this is the only private university having NIRF ranking within 200 universities, and continuously last 3 years we are maintaining this quality. Our aim is to provide quality education so that students can get training, good quality education, and also what they are learning, how they can apply their knowledge. So we are having in nearly 22 departments, having science, social science, education, law, technical education like different engineering subjects, MBA, then Ayurveda, medical college for MBBS, physiotherapy, pharmacy, all those professional courses are also there. With this, USTM is the first university to implement the NEP 2020, which gives more opportunity for multidisciplinary courses. Also, it is a flexible system. It gives opportunity to the students for exit and entry, and therefore it is also giving opportunity to the student to select the courses as per their potential and interest. Earlier, our traditional system was not allowing this kind of the education, and therefore now the potential of the students are coming up. With this, we have got now, after introduction, more than 200 courses available to the students as per their choices. So under this choices, academic bank of credit has been created that students can earn their credit from any university with whom we have signed MOU. In Tripura also we have signed MOU with Tripura Central University, and we are having association with the University, Maharaja Bir University. And in Tripura, what we have seen is students who are coming for the education and research, they are doing very good research. Recently, I met the students in chemistry department. They have filed the patent. We have filed nearly 180 patents, which is a unique feature that indicates that the education which they are gaining in the USTM, they are able to take it to the entrepreneurship and also to give new business. Some of the patents are in the process to go up to the forming of the industry. So that means education, application, patent, and ultimately creative business. These are some of the impact-oriented, outcome-oriented education system which allows students to create themselves to the need of the today's requirement, and also how they can be part in solving the problem of society. And therefore, they are now global citizen. We are also having the collaboration with the University of California to make village as the ideal village. We have adopted 5 to 10 villages, which we are trying to make them the ideal villages of those areas. The advantage in that is those rural resources, how they can be converted into business. Some of our startup, we have our tea value addition, and they are getting different amount of the sale, and also in food technology. So what we have identified, that education should not remain only to the certificate, but also it should have the application oriented education. With this, we also have two unique features of the university. One is to have the inclusive growth. We have I can, I will do academy. That means we are having those physically Divyanjan, train them and make them employable. Second is, those who clear net, their total fees is returned. Those who clear net in second attempt, their half fees is returned. And this is one of the very good achievement, that this time nearly 100 students have cleared net. Every year this is increasing. That means they are also made qualified for teaching and other things. You will be happy to know that this time nearly 132 our B.Ed students, they have cleared the exams of Meghalaya and other things, and therefore they are qualified for any teaching assignment. So, looking into this, all these things, our university has also been selected by number of industries, including CAP, Genie, then NESCAM, and last time we organized the job fair, and more than 400 students, they got the job. So university is also creating opportunity for the students to excel, as well as to go for higher studies in central universities, IITs, state universities, and also those who cannot carry out higher education, they get the job through our these efforts. University is also having nearly 500 scholarships. For Tripura, we have identified this time very special scholarship program. The 50 free scholarship will be given to the students of Tripura, those who are very intelligent, forward looking for higher education, and those who cannot afford financially. This facility is given to the students, youths of the Tripura. Our aim is that nobody should be left behind to have the access to higher education just because of the financial crunch or financial constraint. But if the student is having desire to pursue study, as well as how he can perform better, the opportunities are created and are available. We have signed MOU with more than 200 universities, including some of the foreign universities. Seeing all our progress, last year we also got students from other countries. However, we are going very slow to admit students from other countries, because we are still in the process of creating international guest house and other facilities, and I am sure in due course of time we will have more opportunities for those students who are coming from abroad. Our main aim is also that our Northeast should get the first prize, so that those students who are going outside the Northeast and they cannot afford to have the access to the quality education, they should get the access in USTM. This is one of the reasons that USTM has identified those areas which are having job opportunity and also have scope for further higher studies, including those health and other things. Our aim now is in the health, and we want to create the hub for health to neighboring countries also, so that the students and the parents, they find easy to have the access. With this, I thank each one of you that you have taken interest, and I will request you all that kindly give proper publicity so that our message reaches to all the students who are interested to take the admission and who want to avail this free scholarship, as well as who want to make their career and also get to the job in big corporate. We are having this collaboration. Credit courses from this year, IIT Guwahati, IIT Mohali. So the students can also take those 80 credit course. They will be taught by the experts from outside, online, and physically they will be going to Guwahati IIT, and therefore those who could not get admission in IIT, they will have this opportunity to pursue their courses in IIT and get the joint certificate of USTM and IIT. With these
Thank
two
you.
words, thank you very much.
Thank you. So just to add,